नागरिकों के लिए सत्यनिष्ठा प्रतिज्ञा। मेरा विश्वास है कि हमारे देश की आर्थिक, राजनीतिक तथा सामाजिक प्रगति में भ्रष्टाचार एक बड़ी बाधा है। मेरा विश्वास है कि भ्रष्टाचार का उन्मूलन करने के लिए सभी संबंधित पक्षों जैसे सरकार, नागरिकों तथा निजी क्षेत्र को एक साथ मिलकर कार्य करने की आवश्यकता है। मेरा मानना है कि प्रत्येक नागरिक को सतर्क होना चाहिए तथा उसे सदैव ईमानदारी तथा सत्यनिष्ठा के उच्चतम मानकों के प्रति वचनबद्ध होना चाहिए तथा भ्रष्टाचार के विरुद्ध संघर्ष में साथ देना चाहिए। अतः मैं प्रतिज्ञा करता हूं कि जीवन के सभी क्षेत्रों में ईमानदारी तथा कानून के नियमों का पालन करूंगा। ना तो रिश्वत लूंगा, ना ही रिश्वत दूंगा। सभी कार्य ईमानदारी तथा पारदर्शी रीत से करूंगा। जनहित में कार्य करूंगा। अपने निजी आचरण में ईमानदारी दिखाकर उदाहरण प्रस्तुत करूंगा। भ्रष्टाचार की किसी भी घटना की रिपोर्ट उचित एजेंसी को दूंगा। अब यही शपथ हम लोग अंग्रेजी में भी लेंगे, ठीक है? आई बिलीव दैट करप्शन हैज बीन one of the major obstacle to economic, political and social progress of our country. I believe that all stakeholders such as government, citizens and private sector need to work together to eradicate corruption. I realize that every citizen should be vigilant and commit to the highest standards of honesty and integrity at all times and support the fight against corruption. I therefore pledge to follow probity and rule of law in all walks of life, to neither take nor offer bribe, to perform all tasks in an honest and transparent manner, to act in public interest, to lead by example, exhibiting integrity in personal behavior, to report any incident of corruption to the appropriate agency. Thank you.
We are going to observe Vigilance Awareness Week from today, that is 26th October to 1st November. So this is a week-long observance of Vigilance Awareness Week. And as per the circular from CVC, we are supposed to commence the Vigilance Awareness Week by taking the integrity pledge. So accordingly we have taken the integrity pledge, and for this year the theme is Independent India at 75, Self-Reliance with Integrity. So as all of you know, integrity is very important in public life, and for public institutions integrity is very, very important. So there are two key terms in this, self-reliance and integrity, and we should be proud of the fact that our country has achieved a lot in the last 75 years. We have made a lot of progress, and we can say that we are self-reliant in many areas in terms of food, agriculture, and even in manufacturing to a large extent. We are self-reliant, but still we have to go a long way, and I'm sure that if we all work together, we will be able to become a self-reliant country. But the second aspect is also very, very important, that we need to exhibit integrity and not self-interest. So self-reliance should not be through self-interest but through integrity, and we have to build a corruption-free India. And as you can see in our own core values, you all know about Pragati. In Pragati also we find integrity. So integrity is a key theme in our own objectives also. As far as the objective of observing Vigilance Week is concerned, the objective is that the CVC wants that, the employees should come together, they should think about vigilance issues in the organization, and they should collectively fight corruption and build an ethical organization. So that is what the CVC wants, and we should all work towards achieving not only a corruption-free organization but a corruption-free country. But having said that, let me remind you also that corruption is endemic to our society and it is deeply entrenched in our psyche. So we need to get rid of this, and for that every individual should work towards that. We should rise above self-interest and work towards the betterment of the country. With this brief background, this year we are organizing slogan writing competition, and this is open for employees and students. The medium is both Hindi and English, and there are 3 best prizes for Hindi and English, and the 2 for employees and students. So in all there are 12 prizes, cash prizes of rupees 1000 each. So this is a competition, it is open for employees and students. I request everybody to participate in this. Besides this, we have display of posters in the ALB foyer. You can see, you can have pay a visit and you can see the posters. They are made by our own students, PGP students. Also we have display of books in the NITI library, books on vigilance, corruption, and also on Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India. Incidentally, I would like to tell you about the background of Vigilance Week. Actually, this falls during the time the birthday of Vallabhbhai Patel is celebrated. That falls on 31st October. So every time the week falls during that time. Finally, we are going to circulate certain guidelines to all employees. This is with the advice of Director. So Director has initiated this. He mentioned that employees should be aware of certain vigilance matters, and they should conduct themselves in an appropriate manner so that our ongoing work will get done very fast. There are times when people sit over the files, they don't really push the files forward. So it has to be seen seriously. We are public servants, we are serving the nation, and nation is nothing but the people. Okay, so we are basically public servants. That should be at the back of our mind always. So with these words, I invite Director for his words of wisdom.
Thank you, Professor Nair. And I just want to say a few things, not too much, because already it's a matter to take place. But what Professor Nair mentioned, corruption is deeply entrenched into our mindset, and this need to be checked from many angles. And one angle is that for what we meant and what we are doing actually, correct? And so there should be a very clear-cut idea that first and foremost we exist for what? The first element is students. So any trouble, any difficulty, our action is paying problem to them, that should not happen. Second, you should maintain standards of very high things for your life. Say, I am a teacher, so I should be a very good teacher. I am working for a particular section, say academics, account, finance, administration, wherever you are. You should try to be punctual, try to be in time, try to be carry out all the files and perform the job in a timely manner, and any difficulty is there that you bring to your superior. Similarly, try to maintain as much transparency so that there will not be any confusion. But transparency should not be misunderstood by manipulation, correct? Like say, some information you get, but you are not talking that information. Instead, its derivative is being taught, correct? Derivative means what you interpret from that, correct? That is very bad actually. It is more wrong, you can say, powerful corruption than real corruption. Means distorting information and then trying to blame others is a very, very serious thing. And we should desist from such kind of practices. And what Professor Nair says, I fully agree, that keeping any file pending, keeping any issue not to be cleared, discussed, not to be pushed forward, and at appropriate level its resolution is very important. And I think we should be very serious and very careful about all these things, and also show our commitment to our stakeholders. And one general thing is that normally the academic institutions are much more honest than any other institutions in India. And if you see the kind of job people are doing here, not only NET, even take IIT, IIMs or any other university also you take. So you can say that number of corrupt practices compared to in the government other sectors, they are very high there, and here it is not as high as in other government jobs. So that should not be the case for what you call thumb beating, means chest beating. But one thing is that we should be more cautious, we should be more vigilant, and anything that you feel that is very serious, some check and balance, you can directly contact your superior, come to my office and report it to this, correct? But do it always by your signature, correct? Don't try to send something by anonymous thing and take shelter of root, means you abuse me also, but you don't want to put your signature, correct? That is not the correct thing. You write, if you feel that there is something wrong, you write by your name, correct? Idea is this. So now please celebrate this week, enjoy, and build up the spirit of transparency and integrity in the system. And we are here for your big support. So thank you, Professor Nair and team, for organizing this week and also this pledge taking ceremony. And now I think from this side, we are thankful to the people who did this function in a small way. And that's all from my side. Thank you very much.